Hey guys, the time has ended, y'all. You know, our good adventures with Little Scrappy. You know, I've shown people what we can do with your old school car, what you want to do. What's your plan, young man?
Not much.
So,
Darker green.
oh, get the key and open. Open. Are you gonna tint the window? So you like the blackout?
Yeah.
Okay, get the key, and I'll show you the original color of the car was. It's either it's under the hood or it's in the trunk. You can see it in the trunk of the car.
Around for the trunk.
Yes. This is the original color of the car.
Oh yeah.
So you're going darker than that, you think?
Probably darker.
Probably shade darker?
So dark you'll only know it's not black because it'll be right next to black.
Oh, is it going to be a satin finish or a gloss finish?
I think we're gonna go gloss.
Okay. All right. Well, you heard it, guys. The young man's taking it to a next level. I love to see my cars leave and they go up next level. I hate to see it when people tear my cars apart. But that's all I've got to say right about now. If you see it on the freeway, the darker version of this, hey, you might be able to recognize it, you may not. That's all I got to say.
Updated.
All right, for sure. You got my number, man. I appreciate you.
Yeah.
Once again, thank you very much, young man.
Thank you. Appreciate
And
it.
we're on to the next episode. Stay tuned. What we got coming next. All right. We're on to the next episode. Stay tuned. What we got coming next.